In this video, we'll be talking about how we can use pivot tables to quickly and easily summarize data. So if you look at my roster here, you can see that I have every student's first name, their last name, their grade level, and also their instrument. And a pivot table can help me to easily see how many trumpet players, how many flute players, how many trombone players, how many I have in each grade level, and how many do I have in the band in general. So to create a pivot table, the first thing we need to do is select the data that we want to analyze. So we click on the first cell in the middle of it, and then we drag until we get to the bottom. After that, we're going to go up to Insert and click on Pivot Table. For now, I'm just going to do this in an existing sheet so that it's easier for us to follow. Normally, I would do it in an existing sheet, but I click on Existing Sheet, and then there's this button right here that says Select Data Range. I click on that, and then I select a place where I would like to put it. Let's put it right here. And after that, I click OK. And then I click Create. So now you'll see that we have rows here and columns here and values in the middle of this table. We also have these column headers over here that show up over here. First name, last name, grade, instrument. They match over here. Whenever we drag one of these over here under rows or columns, we will see the unique values for that column. So for example, I'm going to take instrument and put that under rows. And we might have 5 alto saxes. I don't know the exact number, but we only see alto sax once. We're only seeing the unique options under the rows. If I take instrument again and put it under values, this will give us a number. So values is always the number that will show up on the table. So I'm going to take instrument and put it under values. And we can have it count, we can have it add with the sum, we can have it average. For now, we're just going to do count A. So I click on this button here and clicked on count A. That was already selected, but I just wanted to do that to make sure you understood how it worked. But you can see the way it's summarizing the data now is by counting. So I can see how many students I have for every instrument. I have 17 clarinets, 13 trumpets, 5 trombones, 1 tenor sax, 9 percussionists. Then let's say I want to break this down by grade level. So I can take grade and I can put that under columns, and it'll take the unique grade levels and make those the column headers. So I take grade and put that under columns, and you can see now that we have the number of every student in every grade level. So we have the number of students in every grade level, and also we have it broken down by instrument. So for example, I have 6 clarinets that are sophomores, 4 trumpet players that are seniors, along with the total for the instruments on the side, on the right-hand side, and also the number of students in each grade level on the bottom. One final tip with pivot tables is that if you want to see a certain population, who are the students or the rows that compose that population, you can double-click on the number. So for example, if I want to find out who are these 4 senior trumpet players, the 4 senior trumpet players here, I can double-click on the 4, and it will show me who these 4 trumpet players are. Likewise, if I want to see who are these 6 sophomore clarinets, I can double-click on the 6, and it will show me those 6 clarinet players.